this guy again? When is he gonna let up? Hello everyone. It is stream time again. So I'm gonna pull up the stream on my phone to make sure everything is running as intended, and then we can get moving. It's Robit Dev Stream 2 Electric Boogaloo. That's what I could name it. That would be a good name, wouldn't it? Here, I'm trying to pull it up on my phone so I can actually see what's going on. How long is the delay? Might be 30 seconds. That's no good. Really? It's not Oh, there we go. I think it's starting for real now. For realsies. Yep, it's here for realsies. I'm gonna do a quick share and we'll be ready to go. I'm just gonna share this to the Discord real quick. Copy link, and we're gonna drop that right in the Discord server. Announcements. At announcements. Robar Stream 2 Electric Boogaloo. Okay. Gonna use the same thumbnail because I plan ahead. Okay, so the plan for today is rather simple. Well, it's gonna start simple, rather. Um, what I want to do to begin with, hang on, let me get the chat out on my phone just so I'm 100% sure that I'm not missing any messages, because for whatever reason, the two don't always show the same thing. Like my desktop chat and my phone chat don't show the same thing for some reason. So I'm gonna have those up. Anyway, we're starting today by digitizing this fella here. Let me first make I think this pose is fine. I think the angle's fine. I'm not going to do any decals on the stop sign. I'm just going to leave the stop sign blank because, I don't know, it makes it more localizable, I suppose. Um, if that makes sense. That might not make sense. Whatever. So what we're going to do here is, I believe we need to change the rendering options to make this, there's got to be a way to render this with a higher resolution. I don't remember how. Render result. Yeah, you know what? This is fine enough. So save as. Not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. That is very tragic. Very, very, very tragic. But this is all I can do. So it's going to go into the Mines NPCs, and then I don't know what to call this folder, so I'm just going to call it Stop Guy for now. We're going to call this 3D stop guy.png, and then we're going to pull up in the other tool, this tool here. We're going to open. He's here. No way. Going to open up the stop sign guy folder that I just made somewhere. Here, stop guy. All right, so the way I always do this is I always make the character 180 pixels wide, and so, or not 180, 1080 pixels wide. The file size of these characters is actually like kind of enormous. Anyway, image, we're going to crop the selection there, and then let me just make sure that I'm not doing too much here. Crop the selection. I think that gives an appropriate margin on all sides for the sprite. Yep, that's good. And now we're going to do canvas size. We're actually going to make this guy 1500 wide instead of the standard 1080. Just because, whoop, it's not canvas size, it's resize. We're gonna make this 1500 wide instead of... Wow, okay. Please work with me. This does not like me. Maintain aspect ratio, please and thank you. Okay, so we're doing 1500 pixels wide. The image file's really big, but it's fine because I think it's going to be compressed whenever I put it into the Godot engine anyway. I just want a really high res, I like to have a high res lossless version of every character. Standard outline width is 20 pixels, as always. And we're just going to get started. This is a pretty chill, laid back stream, just kind of hanging around. So yeah, feel free to chat because I'm gonna be bored out of my mind otherwise. Because that's really all we got going in this one. Actually, no, that's a lie. This is not all we have going. We in fact have. Let me make this a more eye-catching color. I have some programming plans later in the stream. Oh, you can VC? Sure, hell yeah. Don't say anything that would get me in trouble. We're getting the right hand, the editor on call. What's up, man?
I won't. Not a.
Hey, I'm just making 100% sure, you know. Always gotta restate it. Because yeah,
Yes.
it's very
I do.
easy
I
for
do
a...
have. I do have information on the thing that happened, but we can talk
Let's
about
not
that
talk about
later.
that. Yeah. I think is it urgent? Is everybody okay?
No. Uh, let's talk about that later.
Yeah, we can talk about this after the stream.
The bird in that picture is not okay, though.
What? Oh yeah, well that's
The
packet loss.
packet
That's
loss
okay.
bird. Not...
That's packet loss. That's an acceptable loss. It happens all the time. Most people don't realize that. But, you know, I'm sure Natasha deals with similar packet loss issues in kernel Metro.
We here at Planar Row, but do not encourage animal abuse.
That's true. Uh, no pigeon packet loss. But lesser machines, on the other hand,
Those aren't real. It's okay.
they are, but they're not people. They're like the robots that are not the people. That's what makes them lesser. I think that's good enough. I think that's not the worst. I feel like I should have skewed the lights just a little bit, but it's fine. It is what it is at this point. Then we're gonna have this lad's antenna.
I gotta remember to keep the stream out of. I gotta. For some reason, they removed the ability to watch in like 720p, but 30 frames per second. So I gotta keep it in 480p.
Mm. You gotta have it
Did
in.
the stream just go down? I think the stream just went down.
It did it. I still see it running in my window here.
It just crashed for me. Let me reopen it.
I hope that's a you problem.
Wrong fucking one. It is a me problem. I'm sorry.
Okay, good. You had me worried. I thought it was over for me. You have no idea.
Well, what happened is it did the thing where it like pulled up a like this is the video you should watch next, which is like usually what happens when it's over.
Oh yeah. I have like a permanent
So
error of poor bit rate. Uh, it's only coming through at like 2000. There's absolutely nothing I can do about it because, you know, I'm stuck on this hotspot because I still don't have internet in my place somehow. I sure hope somebody got fired for that blunder. No, not really. I don't mean that.
because
That'd be
Josh
too
lives
mean.
in Wyoming.
Wyoming. Yeah. It is what it is.
And that's not even a dox because like What, you're gonna go to Wyoming to find him? Good fucking luck. It doesn't exist.
That's a good point. It would be very, I mean, like, it would be very easy to, I think it would be extremely easy to dox me, but it would be very difficult to actually, like, go through the hassle of finding me and causing trouble in my life, like, in person. I think that that just wouldn't happen.
And if it did happen,
Ooh,
then
ah, I agree.
it's an empty
Thank you,
state.
Van. This part is, this part of
Is
the
that Van? Is that Van from hit show Van Howtastic?
Van Ho-Ho-tastic, he's festive? It's too soon.
I remember when Van had Van Ho-Ho-Tastic as his name for like like 5 months ish. He just
Five
forgot to
months?
change it. He only changed it in April, which I think is about 5 months from December, right? Unless I'm being dumb and stupid.
You could be dumb and stupid because I have no idea.
Well, April's the fourth month, right?
Bro, I can't count months.
Okay, 4 months, whatever. Shut up, Van. I'm starting to think that this like face design is gonna be somewhat interesting to try and outline.
Yeah, I'm kind of struggling with the hat. I think it looks like crap. But I don't know. I'll see what I can do with it.
I think you curved too close to the curve limit of curves in one area.
Yeah, there's just a lot going on in this one spot. I make everything
I
visible,
think
and
that
then
would it be a good idea to do you really need to show like the top and bottom of the brim, or can you just get away with showing the bottom of the brim?
I think I probably could get away with just the bottom. I think it looks fine with this. I think this is, yeah, I'll get rid of the top. You're right. It's this layer. Oh, but the
All
top
right,
and
I'm
the
gonna
bottom, I
lower
put
the
them
I'm
right
gonna lower
next to
the
each
tape.
other, didn't I? Yeah, I messed up, didn't I? It's over. Actually, no, this is fine. This is fine. I'll just have to micromanage the pixels. It'll be fine. Yeah, just like
I
that.
mean, you're gonna end up doing it anyway, so
True, true. Okay, so that is his head outlined. Except, no, it's not. I need to do this here. Stream lagging so
Van
much,
says the stream is lagging.
and I believe it. I'm still on a hotspot because
If
mistakes were made.
would the voice call be taking up too much bandwidth for you? Because I can hang up if that would help.
No, I think a voice call is only a few kilobits.
All
Then
right,
again,
well,
my voice I'm voice connected. My ping even on Discord is 1,000 milliseconds. So my hotspot is just being trash right now for whatever reason. I don't know why. No idea why.
does it have a data limit or something?
Uh, it's on it's on a company plan. The data limit's like really, really, really big. There's no way I would have reached it, especially not on the 17th. Here, let me see what my network is. OBS is taking up like 2.5 megabits. Yeah, Discord's not even taking a tenth of a megabit. It's not it's not even 5% of the stream's bandwidth, so it's fine. The call isn't an issue.
And we lost Van, untragically.
Very tragic. He's a busy man. He has important things to do. He thinks he's better than us.
Now I'm the only one here again.
Very sad. I need to fix this outline.
I'm getting a lot of lag too, but part of that is I'm on mobile.
Yeah. Let me. I found a new band that I really like.
Yeah, boy,
I've forgotten the name of it,
I
but
got a
it's
haircut.
nice. So there's this band that I first listened to earlier today, and I've already forgotten their name, but it's like T something. It's almost like it makes me think that they're called T Series, and I know that they're not called T Series because that's an Indian thing and it's a Japanese band. Anyway, I really, really, really like the band. And it turns out their guitarist composed the Gran Turismo soundtrack. So a
Hmm.
lot of talent there. Can you help me? Can you be Jamie for me? Can you pull that up? What is the name of that band? The one that starts with a T. And it's fusion jazz.
All right, step one is go to Wikipedia,
And they've
go to
got
Gran
the
Turismo.
they've got the racing cars. They got the race cars as the album art.
Which games did he do, or did he do all of them?
It might have been the first one. I don't know.
Masashiro Ando,
I don't know. Was he part of a band called T something?
T Square.
Yeah, that's it. T Square. Yeah. That album or that band is really good. I like T Square. There's a lot of talent behind them. Something that I sort of covet is the ability to drum like a Japanese jazz musician. Their drummers in like jazz fusion bands, their drummers are just always just amazing. They go 100% extremely hard. You know what I mean?